Hello everyone, Josh Deacon with Land O'Lakes. Today I want to talk to you about our mac and cheese. Now our mac and cheese, we have 5 different SKUs ranging from different sodium levels, different fat contents, and both with whole grain and semolina pasta. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some fun ways to utilize the mac and cheese. Now of course, traditionally you can heat it up in a steamer or boil in the bag or stovetop or whatever works for you for service. But if you're looking for different ways to be able to serve it or unable to heat up open pouches and serve traditionally, we have some fun ideas for you that you can send home with the students that can be easily made and are no more difficult than putting a hamburger on a bun for send home service. So what we're gonna do is talk about serving this cold, okay, for heating up service later. So all of our mac and cheese, here I have a 5-pound pouch, 6 5-pound pouches per case. So I have our mac and cheese, and you simply thaw it out, and I have it here. I thawed it out, I put it into my container, and it can all be portioned cold. So for example, here I have our 6 ounces of mac and cheese, which equals 2 meat alternates and a grain. This can be served in a microwave container or in the lid on top and sent home with the students for microwave. We have instructions on how to do this, and we have send home instructions as well, and labels in both English and Spanish explaining exactly how to do this. So if you are interested, you can simply scoop mac and cheese in a container, put a lid on it, slap one of our labels, and send it home. From there, the student can put it in the microwave, a parent can put it in the microwave, and go from there. Very, very simple and easy. Okay. Now, the interesting part about this is I could scoop this just like I have it now. I can cover it and I can actually freeze this. So if I wanted to do this up ahead of time or send this home for a later use. So if I'm sending this home for 2-3 days down the road, if you're gonna be sending home bulk meals, this freezes very well. It thaws out in a microwave and it holds up fantastically. So there's no worries there. Again, we have labels in both English and Spanish if you are interested. If you wanna spruce it up a little bit and be more specialty macs, which are obviously very popular, and you wanted to figure out ways to increase your menu options, especially in a time like this, something that's really simple and easy to do. Here, same thing. You can add different toppings to this from the cold state if you'd like. So here I have an all-American mac and cheese with just beef crumbles and onions that were cooked off earlier, put on top, done. Here I have some meatballs and on a mac and cheese with some barbecue sauce, and it's done. Buffalo chicken mac and cheese, I have chicken and buffalo sauce, very simple. It's all put on top cold. Think of like a deli situation, and it can all be sent home and heated up. Oven container, same thing. This whole thing can be placed in the oven and heated up together. It works really, really well. So if you are interested, think about other ways to use mac and cheese, or you want to get something sent at home or do different containers. You can portion this from the thawed state, cold, put it in the container of choice and sent home, or it can be put in the container of choice, then frozen, then sent home. So there's a lot of fun options, and it's a great way to utilize some of your pantry items. So if you have some pantry items that you are thinking about finding ways to use it in different ways, mac and cheese is great because you can put anything in mac and cheese and it's gonna be good. So again, that's some fun new things that we're doing with our mac and cheese. If you are interested in any of this or labels or recipes or anything else, please reach out and let us know. We're happy to help. So thank you all again.